Guldfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Guldfest hela dagen.
Hey there, missed me? I missed you too. Well, I hope you all are doing good today. My name is Vaidehi and welcome to my YouTube channel Brown Life. I hope you will enjoy watching this video. If you love the channel, please subscribe. Also like this video. Also, you can follow me on my Instagram. Here's my username, and without wasting any time, let's start with the video. Well, if you don't know, I am a gym enthusiast and every night 8 p.m. I come back to my place. By this time, my body feels dehydrated, unhygienic and sweaty. And what's better than washing my day off? Which basically means taking a hot or cold shower. Before that, I'll cleanse my face with some micellar water, and now it's time to immediately wash the day off. Talking about water temperature, it totally depends on your mood. Well, hot water if you want to sleep and relax. Cold water in my case because it awakes my senses and comforts my body and my soul. This has to be every girl's favorite, which is following a great amazing skincare routine. Mostly our skin goes through a lot of makeup, dust and pollution, and what's better time than this to clean, relax and moisturize your skin. I have been indulged into Korean skincare, but of course you can go with anything and everything. The whole purpose is to recover your skin and treat it like a golden canvas. And this is what I really love, a beautiful, soft, plumpy looking skin. Next step is to indulge into skin treatment. Most of us has issues with acne spots, skin pigmentation, underarm darkness and whatnot. I like to treat my underarms with Sunface Spotlight Reduction C. It has vitamin C and kojic acid, which deals with skin's pigmentation, skin darkness, and it has never irritated my skin. You can also go for glycolic acid serum. The one that I use is by the brand Dermdog. You can definitely use it on your underarms. I like to use it on my knees and elbows. Somewhere I read that glycolic acid helps you with skin pigmentation, which is why it's really helpful, and it's not magic. You have to use it on regular basis. Well, it's no secret we all have been using moisturizers since ages, which of course includes chemicals. And only to give my skin some time and to give it some natural treatment, I like to apply oil every single night I'm done showering my body. It works as a natural moisturizer and of course a healthy alternative that takes care of your skin. In my case, it's extremely important to have healthy and nutritious food. I just came back from the gym and I want something healthy. Usually my nutritional plate includes healthy carbs, fats, protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals. And honestly, I'm not saying कि बहुत सारा खाओ, बहुत healthy खाओ. The only thing is have healthy food that nourishes your body overnight, fills you up, satisfies your soul and give you all the nutritional benefits your body deserves. Also, nutrition के नाम पे avoid overeating. Once I'm done having my food, just to digest my food, I like to clean my space. And honestly, decluttering is the best thing to do. Besides, your body also moves, which helps in digesting your food and also cleaning up the pile of laundry, removing clutter. It works with your mental health as well. This practice also eases my morning routine. My morning looks peaceful. The workload becomes less. It also takes me out of discomfort. You might not have experienced but in my case, this thing releases all the tension and distress my mind. Cleaning के साथ साथ I like to take a look at my plants. I don't do it on everyday basis, but every time I do, I water them. I clean their leaves, their space. Of course, I need to water them in the morning, but I think they don't survive like that. And I'm saying this because I have tried doing it. Lately, it's very hot and the sun heat takes away all of their moisture, so this time is the best time to water them. Lastly, a simple and basic thing is to filling my water bottles just in case I need to have water in the night. And look at my space now. It looks clean, beautiful, peaceful. And imagine what a beautiful night I'll spend in this room. And this is why I told you need to clean and declutter your space for a perfect bedtime routine. Moving on, I'm very particular with my oral hygiene. And you know what? It's very basic. Everyone knows you need to brush your teeth 2 times a day. Even Ayurveda says it, and we still ignore it. Well, I have got my hands on this electric brush. At first, I found it very difficult to use, but over the time, I got my hands on it, and honestly, it cleanses my teeth like nobody's business. It's like a low-effort technique to brush your teeth. You just have to clean your brush here and there and up and down, and that's about it. My biggest pet peeve has to be people smelling bad. Yes, please clean and scrape your tongue. Well, you know what's aromatherapy? It's a technique to use essential oil that smells good and potentially provides beneficial medicinal effects on mind and body. Now, usually people like to have a diffuser in their room, which I don't have. But to get all the benefits, here's a quick hack for you all. Take a spray bottle, add some water, add some essential oil, give it a nice mix and spritz it all over your room. And you can also spray it on your body, on your hair, on your bedsheet, on your plants. The fragrance of essential oil benefits your sleep cycle, it eases your mind, and it's much better than using room fresheners. It's also a natural alternative to make your room smell good, but of course reapplication is necessary. Now before I sleep, I like to write down some things, which is also known as journaling. I usually write about things that I need to do, things that I have already done, add some reminders pointers, sometimes how my day went, YouTube ideas, content creation, things that I need to do, things that I need to buy, financial and budgeting things. This simple thing manages my schedule and you should also start doing it. Moving on to extremely important thing, which is feet oiling or Pada Abhyanga. The mother of all the therapies is known as Pada Abhyanga. This therapy relieves stiffness, dryness and numbness of leg and foot, offers sturdiness and stability, promotes healthy eyesight and hearing senses, prevents sciatica, provides immunity to body, removes fatigue from lower limbs, prevents crack in the foot, revitalizes central nervous system, activates metabolism, cures headaches and improves quality of sleep. Please wear socks if you want to walk and go somewhere. I have been doing this thing since many years, which is known as navel oiling or Nabhi Chikitsa or navel therapy. It's a traditional Indian practice that involves applying oil to belly button and surrounding area. It improves skin texture, reduces pigmentation, maintains body hydration, reduces inflammation, relaxes your muscles, treats your upset stomach, relieves joint pain, in some cases reduces menstrual pain, improves fertility. Some oils that can be used can be grapeseed oil, sunflower oil, jojoba oil, tea tree oil, mustard oil, coconut oil and almond oil. Talking about gut therapy, I have Vata Dosh body type, which means I go through acidity every now and then. Drinking hot water helps with digestion, increases blood flow to digestive tract, helps in constipation. I have also folded my legs backwards. It's actually a Japanese technique, I guess, to improve digestion and improve circulation to your gut. This is very important. If you are a girl or a guy, avoid wearing your tight pants, bras, banyan. Let your body breathe. If not, it can give you major fungal infections. You can simply wear your t-shirt, your normal pants and you're good to go. If you want to avoid breast cancers, avoid wearing your bra. And lastly, good hair I do care, which basically means wearing a silk cap every time you sleep. It helps with your hair quality, avoids hair breakage, avoids hair friction, and if you have curly hair just like me, it will prevent your hair from losing their curls. If you can't invest in silk bedsheets, it's a great way to protect your hair. And that was the last thing that I do every time I go to my bed. अगर वीडियो पसंद आया है तो लाइक जरूर करना, शेयर करना अपने फ्रेंड्स और फैमिली के साथ, एंड आई विल सी यू नेक्स्ट टाइम. बाय बाय.